Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of bitter gourd with you. And I know, most of us try to avoid this. Unfortunately, this is a super healthy vegetable. It is high in polyphenols, which are known to extend your life. Also antioxidants, they are known to be good for diabetics, and I'm a diabetic. So it's got like a lot of health benefits, and Asians eat it quite a bit. I know that it's a new vegetable for Western people. But if you guys are interested in this vegetable for health reasons, this is almost the best recipe you will find, because I have shared a couple of tips and tricks to get rid of the bitterness of the bitter gourd. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how I make this. So here I have about 130 grams of bitter gourd, so which is just 2 pieces. We are going to remove all the seeds of this vegetable, also some of the peels. You might wonder that isn't it going to take away some of the goodness of the vegetable too? And my reasoning behind it is that I'm sure it does, but would you rather not eat it or make it a little better tasting and then eat it? And I kind of chose the second route because the way it is and it's traditionally made, I find it very difficult to eat. I'm going to scoop out all the pulp from this, and that is going to help to make it less bitter. Once I've scooped out all the pulp, we are slicing it into small pieces and we are going to put this in salted water, let it sit there for a while, and after about 1 hour or so I'm going to start cooking it. Bitter gourd is sliced now, and this is about 1 teaspoon of salt. I am applying it to the bitter gourd, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water so that all the parts of the bitter gourd are in the salty water. Now after an hour I'm going to drain it out, wash all of that water out, and some of the salt is going to get absorbed. So before I make the vegetable preparation, I'm going to boil this in water, and we are going to throw away that water because some of the bitterness is going to go through the water. So we have our bitter gourds ready to be flavored now. So you have taken care of the first 2 steps to get rid of the bitterness. Now you have the vegetable with you, and let's flavor it. So in a pot I have taken about 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, to which I've added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and some asafoetida. If you don't have that, you can leave that out. And then I have put my bitter gourd slices in this, which we had cooked in the boiling water and drained. So to this, after I have stir fried it a bit, I've added some onions, and the onions give it that slight sweetness that it requires. And since we are on keto, we are not able to add any sugar or jaggery or anything sweet. And once you fried it for a bit, we are going to start flavoring it with 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Now you can add any of this the way you like it. Turmeric you want to add a little extra because it's good for you. I have added coconut to this. You can also add peanuts. So crushed roasted peanut powder is wonderful, and it's a traditional way to make vegetables in India. So we do that sometimes, and sometimes we add coconut, and sometimes we add both of these. And if you're not on keto, you can add boiled potatoes, which makes it much more delicious. You can even make this vegetables with onions and tomato gravy, which is what I'm going to do the next time. I don't have a natural liking for this vegetable, but this is the way I like to cook it. I'm trying to eat it at least once a week, and I make it this way, and this is almost my favorite way. So I hope you guys have liked the recipe. Will click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell right next to it. Please remember to share this recipe with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. I can share my recipes, my knowledge with you guys. And thanks for watching. Bye.